All right, so these are vice grips. Very handy for grabbing onto something really tightly. So to use these can be adjusted, and if you need to grab something like, say you have maybe a bolt or something that's difficult to grab onto, maybe it's stripped or something. So with these vice grips, you can grip it on there, and then you don't squeeze it all the way. Just kind of loosen up a little bit until you can. So you want it kind of tight. But then, so this last part should really be kind of a, you can torque it a little bit more, even to get a better grip with it, and just, that's got a really good grip on there. So if you have a bolt or something that's giving you trouble, or something you need to grab onto really tight, the vice grips are a good way to do it. These are kind of an old pair, several decades old probably. Anyways, to release vice grips, they have a little handle here. You just press this and it should, but if it's really tight, I usually just put both my hand here to help grab a little bit, and then it's going to pop open a little bit. So these can increase your grip and pressure by a lot. So if you can't grip this up with normal pliers, not tight enough to make it hold on, vice grips are a really good option. And those can be adjusted with this screw here on the end, so you can grab larger or smaller items. So a great tool to have, handy to have, the vice grips. So if you need help with a bolt or something that you need to grip onto, not a bad way to go.